Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block thousands of trackers on iPhone and how can you protect your privacy fast. So guys, if you want to protect your privacy and you want to block thousands of trackers on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and make sure that you are using the updated version. So I simply tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below all the way and go to apps and then scroll it below all the way and go to Safari from here. Once you're here, simply scroll it below and then you have to simply turn on the toggle for prevent cross-site tracking. So guys, you can see this. If it is off, you have to simply turn it on, and also you have to simply tap on hide IP address and then you have to simply choose to from trackers. So guys, if it is off, then you have to check this to from trackers. So guys, simply hide your IP address from trackers, and after this you have to simply turn on the toggle for require face ID to unlock private browsing. So guys, if it is off, simply turn it on, and also turn on the fraudulent website warning as well. So guys, here you can see this. If the fraudulent website warning is off, then you have to simply turn it on, and then you have to simply turn on the toggle for not secure connection warning as well. So guys, if you are not having a secure connection, then this warning will appear. So guys, do this, and after this scroll it below and then go to advanced and then go to advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection, and from here you have to simply check this to private browsing at all. So I simply check this to private browsing, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you will be able to block thousands of trackers on iPhone with these settings. So guys, these settings will block thousands of trackers on your iPhone and it will protect your privacy as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.